can you make money with Bingo Cash? Short answer, yes, you absolutely 100% can. Would I recommend that you quit your job and put all of your time and efforts into Bingo Cash? Absolutely not, but it is a cool way to make a couple extra bucks online, pit your luck and your skills against other online players, and perhaps is a better use of your bathroom time than scrolling through TikTok. So let's go over some general layout stuff here. Along the bottom, we have our navigation bar. This consists of the shop, the results, the home, the gifts, and then our personal account here. We're going to go over each one in a little bit detail in a second, but along the top we have on the left hand side, that 15% there, we have my progress towards the next rank, or my next level within the app. So I'm at level 2 right now, 15% of the way to level 3. Each time you level up, it awards you a bonus for achieving the next level, such as gems. I think there is even a couple levels in there that gives you actual money, not much, like 30 cents to $1 or something, but it does award you for your progress, and you get progress by completing tournaments, and pretty much everything you do in the app will give you an increase of rank. Certain things have more increase in rank and certain things have less. The next thing there is the gems. The gems are an in-game currency that are awarded by winning tournaments and doing certain things within the app. You can purchase the gems, which is one of the ways that this app makes money. And you can also win them by watching videos. So let's say you want to just watch a bunch of ads. Well, there are companies that pay this app apparently to post up their ads, and you can watch them, and then they will pay you in the gem currency. So if you don't want to buy the gems, and you're kind of down in your luck, haven't won any tournaments that award the gems, you can just watch a bunch of ads and 30 seconds, and they will award you gems. And then the other one along the top there, those $0, we can all see that I am rolling in money with my $0. That is your balance, of course, that you can either use to pay for higher stakes tournaments or for pulling out into your PayPal account. And I think the only way you can actually withdraw money on this app is via PayPal. So you'll need a PayPal account if you don't have one already. PayPal is free though, and it's available in almost every country. So you should really have one if you don't. It's a great thing. I'll put a link to PayPal in the description of this episode. And then the other thing up along this top is we have our little 3 settings bar, our little hamburger as they call that. And this brings up the settings, the help menu, the rate us, and then the how to play tutorial. Over here in the results, we're just going to go over this bottom tab stuff. Probably should start at the shop. So what we've been looking at is the shop page. This is where you can purchase additional gems and actually deposit money. Well, actually, you can't purchase any gems here, I guess. No, you cannot. You can just deposit money here, and they're so nice to tell us that the $15 one is the most popular, because look at that, you get a $2 bonus. Woohoo! I don't know why you wouldn't go with the 35. I mean, if you're gonna invest $15, deposit 35 bucks and just get your extra $7, but I probably wouldn't recommend depositing any money into this app, just trying to win it for free without doing that. And in the link that is beneath in this episode, it comes with $1 extra. Just starts you off with $1, and a lot of the games are 30 gems plus 10 cents. So while $1 may not seem like much, it actually may get your entry into some higher stakes games and start you winning money, so you never have to deposit any actual money if you want to play in some of those higher stakes games. Alright, so over here's the results. We can see just kind of a history of what we've done. We can see, hey, I've won 40 gems, 110 gems, 60 gems. Apparently I did pretty good in the tutorial game. Yeah, that's when I started. Of course, I got 100 gems in that one. Pretty sure everyone does. We can go in here, and clicking on one will show us the leaderboard of it. This game here, look at that. The Hebrew Hammer, myself, did number 1 in the game. We can see all the players who were in it and what they won. Here is the home, probably where you're going to spend most of your time, the lobby, and these are all the available tournaments. So we can see here's some really higher stakes ones up here that with a prize pool of $35 for players, so a pretty high chance that you'll win there, but it is $12 to play that game. Another $35 one with a $7 entry fee. This one entry fee, can't talk apparently, and this one has 7 players, so lower money, by a significant amount, but you've also got almost twice as many people within the game, so it's not as likely to win that money. So it just kind of depends on how risky you're feeling or really your overall risk tolerance. And then here's some games over here. I could play this one right now. We've got a Gems Factory 120 or 110 gem prize pool, and the entry fee of 20 gems over there. This one right here is 1.2 thousand gems, but this one actually has some actual money. So my recommendation would be to play a bunch of games, watch a bunch of videos, maybe like while you're making dinner or something, just like have a bunch of videos, just keep pressing the video thing so you get enough gems so you can actually play in some money games, so you get some real money, so you can actually start playing in some of these higher stakes games and then actually make some legitimate spending cash on the side here. And then here's one, like I was saying, with the extra $1 that you'll get using the link below in the description of this episode. This one is 120 gems, which they pretty much start you off with once the tutorial, and 30 cents. So right here, you could be winning $5. And then here's some higher stakes and higher level games that have much higher payouts, but you have to be higher levels to get them. And I've played this game for about 5 minutes and I've reached level 2. So as you progress, I'm sure it takes longer to get higher levels, but I doubt it takes very long to get to a level like 10 or 20. Here in the gifts tab along the bottom, we have your daily gift. I've already collected mine, so they want you playing this game, obviously, and so every day that you log in, you get additional awards, and for every day, subsequent day, if it's like the 7th day that you've logged in a row, you get higher and higher awards. Here's a invite your friends link, of course, promo code, their fan page on Facebook, if you want to go follow them on Facebook for some reason, and then the watch button right here that awards you gems. So you watch a video and you earn 10 gems, like we've been discussing before. And this final one along the bottom is the account that just shows you your account. You can upload your own photo if you want. I have the little startup one that they just started me with, the history of your transactions, what you've paid in, what you've pulled out, and then of course your withdrawals, your account balance, withdrawable amount, and amount to withdraw. And in order to do that, I did have to register the account in order to get to this point, which required me to enter my, first name, my date, an email, and then my phone number. Withdrawal requests are processed within 2 to 14 business days. Only one withdrawal can be processed at a time. So, certainly don't be depending on this for, gas that you need right now, as it's going to take up to 2 weeks in order to get your money. Again, this is not a job. This is a fun little thing that you can do while going to the bathroom that you can actually make some spending money with and not be wasting your time on TikTok. Alright guys, let's test our luck and play a game so you can see this game in action. We're going to do this entry fee of just 20 gems here and the prize pool of 110 gems. I think they use the word pool, as you don't receive all 110 gems if you come in first. You just receive the most of the top few players. The top 3 people get paid according to their status, first, second, or third. Alright, I've clicked on the little thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So as these balls pop down, my job is to find the corresponding 11, there we go, number as quickly as possible and click on it. Press it with my little finger there. The faster you find and select the number, the more points that you're going to get. And the winner is decided by the accumulative total of the points at the end of the game. It'll add all your points up, and whoever has the most, 30, will win the game, right? So you want to make sure that you're trying to find them as quickly as possible. As those little things come up along the bottom that I just selected, those are like little specials. You want to make sure you use those because you don't want to fill them up and then miss out on some that they may award you. So make sure that you use those little guys down on the bottom. 72 to show. Looks like I'm almost got 2 there. Cool. 61. Certain ones do different things for you, which is pretty cool. 54. Nothing. No. 47. Boy. Really pouring out the haterade on us here. You can win by a vertical 58, a vertical 5, a horizontal 5, a diagonal 5, so from corner to corner, or 1 in each corner with the 1 in the middle. But you start off with the 1 in the middle, so just 1 in each corner will get you 1 as well. And now don't stop playing the game when you get a bingo, make sure that you keep playing it. Don't drop your phone and start jumping around all excited, because the game keeps going on. You can get multiple bingos in one round. And that's the thing that will award you the most. Now, this one that I just selected will give me, let me select any ball that I get. So you kind of want to pay attention to which tiles that you need, which numbers that you need. This one's the best one, of course, because you can select any one. Boom, bingo. Nice. Obviously, you get a boatload of points by getting a bingo there. Also, you can still select a number past the point that initial loading bar goes away. You just won't get as many points for it, so it's best to get it fast. That one was a bonus time, so I get to enjoy 10 more seconds. 20, no. 44. Nope. Let's see, bingo me, baby. Come on, let's get if we can get 2. 2 for the people, bingo. 2 for the people. However, we're like 2 away from getting 1, so I don't know if we're going to get one team. We go, 34, only 2 seconds left. Oh, I should use, I did not have time to select that thing. I missed it. My thumb went to go hit it to give me more time, and I missed it. It's a shame. Okay, let's see what we did. So look at that. First place, baby. So look, you can see, even being a slow fool and a failure like myself, you can even win. So it gives me a little tip here. Pretty much every pop-up that they show you is requesting that you deposit money, because you deposit money equals them getting more money. So make sure you're hitting those little red X's up there, not the deposit button, as unless you actually want to deposit. And then, of course, it gives me more towards my percentage of my rank, so I'm closer to rank 3. Make sure you use the link in the description beneath this episode, as you can start the game off with $1 to begin, and with the gems that they give you to initially start off, that can get you into some higher stakes games. And for more tutorials and ways to make money online, make sure you smash that subscribe button and like this video. If you're still here this far, you like me. At least I hope so, anyway. It really helps me out if you do, so appreciate you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, that is your general overview of the Bingo Cash app. Free to download, go make some money, and may luck be with you. Bye everybody.